again. I'm glad to see you in class. I'm Mrs. Shelley, ready to have a great time with you. Do you have your grown-up ready to sit on the floor with you like I am?
Let's play music. The balloon and it went up, 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 up. And it floated and I wanted it to come back down, 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 down.
Ready? On, between, third, fourth, fifth. That's our fifth line right up on top. We know how to count our 5 lines. That was awesome. Which line is it? Four. It's the 4th line. My balloon is stuck on the 4th line.
Taking baby steps and getting better all the time.
Did you see my baby steps? And did you take baby steps? I heard in the song, start on a space and you can go just to the next line. Line, space, line. Does that look like baby brother is doing a major scale? It does, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Space, line. I like your baby steps. Space, do, the, deer. Wow, you did it. You did a major scale going all the way up and all the way down with your baby steps. Now, let's play our major scale. And we'll play the very next bell, the very next bell. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa. Do, re, mi, fa. Are they going up more or did they go down? Mi, re, do is the red chord. Blue is next, I said. Yellow is the chord that leads us back to red.
We will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox and put him in a box and then we'll let her go.
So, do.
So, do. Those were the magic words. Frog in the middle and he can't get out. Oh, rainy day.
One in the middle and he didn't get out.
Oh, rainy day.
So, do, do, oh, do, oh, so, do, do, oh, do, oh, so, do, do, oh, do, oh, she goes fingers down.
This is the way we
Pull away, pull away, pull away.
This is the way we pull away all day long.
Come on through, Miss Emma, Miss Emma, Miss Emma. Come on through, Miss Emma.
All day
On a lion hunt. Let's go to the savannah. Come with me. Oh, wow. We get to go on a lion hunt. I am all ready to find where the lion is.
Looking for a lion,
looking for a lion.
swimming through the water.
Swimming through